Hello everybody. This is going to be a video on how to make a fabulous master degree research. I thought of making this video because of the fact that I have seen several people, several students, several scholars in their master degree struggling with their thesis and not being able to complete their thesis, and that's why they are not being awarded their degree as well. So what is the problem with their thesis work, and what is the problem that is even causing them to not being able to publish even a single conference paper out of their master degree thesis? So how to avoid that thing, so that you can do very well in your master degree, and you'll be able to publish, you be able to publish at least a conference paper. And if you work something, you if you do some amount of work, then you will be able to publish even a journal paper during your masters. So how to do that? There is a procedure to do that, do a master degree thesis. That is the thing that I'm going to discuss in this video, and after watching the video I think you will have a clear cut idea of what to do and what not to do to avoid falling in any of the problems, or getting out of problem. Even if you are in a very bad condition in your project work, in your master degree curriculum, then also you should watch this video to get out of that position. So there are several points that I want to discuss, and that should I think I will start from the very beginning of a master degree course, because project work doesn't only start in the second semester. It starts from the first semester itself, I think, according to me, because there is coursework, and in the first semester there is going to be coursework, and the coursework is, I think, where the preparation for your your thesis starts. So I am not interested in any of the classical old things that you have studied in your BTech and your graduation program. That is the thing that you should do. I am not saying that coursework you will study. I am not saying that. I am saying crafty coursework. That means the tools and technologies that will enable you to do research. Papers like optimization technique, papers like artificial intelligence, those have a lot of tools and techniques that will enable you to do projects, right? So one or two subjects you will be very good at, uh, in theory, in terms of theory, and also in terms of practically coding, practically doing those things. Crafty coursework is very much important. So for me it was optimization and artificial intelligence. It may be something else for you. I'm going to talk about mainly a circuital branch, that means electrical, electronics, instrumentation, those kind of subjects, to some extent CS, uh, and keeping on learning technologies. Not only theory you will have to study, of course, work, you'll have to do some labs. If you are good at optimization, you can try with MATLAB coding, or you can even try with, if you are good at AI machine learning, then you can start coding those things that you have learned about, machine learning algorithms and all those kind of things. Another thing is that breaking the rules. Actually, you can mix up all those classical subjects like power system with AI, mixing up all those things and breaking the norms, breaking the rules. And another thing that is very much important during the first semester of master degree, which is not very obvious, but I'll say that networking with several people, several departments. If you are from electrical department, you can go to electronics department, probably attend their classes, talk to the professors, talk to other students there, what they are working on, so that you can get a very good idea of, your brain cells will be activated, your creativity will be enriched. And the second thing that I would like to talk about is choosing the guide. Choose the guide with whom you can work, who is not going to, not understand your work, your hard work. You are going to put hard work, but if there is a person who is, bullying you in spite of your hard work, then you are not going to be. Then your creativity is going to be shattered. Your creativity is going to be finished. Okay, so choose the person who will understand your hard work that you are going to put, right? And another thing is that choose a young person, I should say, who is eager to be a non-conformist, who is open to all those kind of nonsensical ideas even that you're going to have, and those ideas will eventually crack, and it will give you a very good research work, I think. Another thing is that it is very there is optional that you can go on doing a lot of side projects also. It may not be side projects, I mean it may not be relevant to your master degree thesis work, but it will create a lot of creativity. It will inculcate a lot of creativity in you. Third thing is that literature review. Literature review is very much important. Reading the books, reading the papers is very much important. How to download papers for free, how to read a paper. If it is required, I'll make a separate video on that, how to read a paper. That is an art, art in itself. So I'll make a video on that also if required. And while reviewing literature, don't rush. Just take your time and choose the path that you are comfortable with. Fools only will rush in during the project, during the master degree thesis. Okay, so don't do it. Right? Just read a paper and comfortably and patiently choose a work in which you can work. And now the thing comes, that is real work that you are going to do. Okay, real work, many people don't know what to do, so they don't do anything. That is not the thing. Do something, whatever you, I mean, if even if you are not understanding even a single thing that is written in a paper that have been given by your guide, then also do something in your home. Or just open your laptop, just open MATLAB or Python, just start coding whatever you have, whatever you have idea. I have idea about anything, just do anything. Just sit for 1 hour, just increase the sitting around 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours. Just go on increasing, just sit and do something. That will give you an answer. Okay, that is a very much tricky thing. Many people don't sit because they don't understand that paper. There is an alibi that they use, but you don't need to use that alibi. Okay, just sit and work. Whatever work it may be a nonsensical work. You don't know where they are going, but just do it. Okay, just do something. Another thing is that is very much important in terms of mindset. Many people will think in between that I am not being able to do the project work, so I should leave, so I should quit, and what will happen to me if I don't be able to complete my masters. This kind of thinking are just bullshit. Don't think. And even some of the persons who are very much hardworking and think, oh, I will be able to do great work, and I will be able to publish a journal work. I will be able to publish even a IEEE transaction within these 2 years. Don't think that also. That is also imaginary. So don't do it. Just live in the present moment. Do your work. Just sit there, work, and you will get the answer. Right? Time will take its course. Right? Another thing is that recreation and hobby is also very important, because it's a creative pursuit, and having a recreation, having a hobby is very much important. For me, it has been reading books. So it may be something else for you. It may be songs, music, dance, anything else. So recreation is also very much important here in this project work. And lastly, very much important, that is also try to publish whatever you have done. Try to figure out where are the conferences happening. Submit your paper there. And for your master degree work, main work, you preserve it for journal, I think, if it is a good work. Okay, and this is where you will advance. So this is a video that was a kind of different kind of video that I have made. So if you like the video, then please comment. And if you want to know more about research, then also you comment. I am planning to make a video on how to read a paper, how to download a paper, what project to choose and what project not to choose. Those ideas also I want to share. But if you want that, please comment. Thank you.